Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, we need to scroll down and tap on General Management. Here select date and time. And now if we want to change the time settings manually, we need to turn off the option called automatic date and time. To do it, tap on the switch next to it like this, and now we can customize our time. To do it, we can tap on set date, for example, to change the date. Here we can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the months, and if you want to select a particular day, simply tap on it like that. And once you're done, tap on done button like this. Then we can tap on set time, and here we can change the time by swiping up and down on hours, then minutes, and then tap done. Once we're done, we can also change the time zone by tapping on select time zone. Here we can select region, and you can select the region from the list right here. For example, let's select Australia and then Sydney, like this. And last thing, in the date and time settings we have use 24-hour format option, and we can enable it or disable it to use 12-hour format or 24-hour format. And that's how you change the date and time settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.